Founded in 2018 and located in Huaqiao, Kunshan, 25 minutes from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. Suzhou Preta Intelligence and Technology Company Limited is a technology-driven company specializing in complete solar energy storage solutions. We focus on research and design, integration, and supply of lithium battery packs, branded solar panels, and customized PV systems for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. We are a reliable and experienced supplier trusted by clients worldwide. Our battery packs are assembled in automated cooperation company, ensuring consistency, safety, and efficiency throughout the production process. From cell selection to final assembly, each stage is strictly controlled under comprehensive quality management procedures. Our battery packs use brand new grade A cells from professional manufacturers such as EVE and REPT, offering long lifespan and stable performance. Batteries support 8,000 cycles and come with at least 5-year warranty. Battery packs undergo voltage and capacity tests, internal resistance checks, BMS functionality verification, insulation testing, and full charge-discharge cycles to ensure product quality. Products meet international standards such as UN 38.3, MSDS. Our brand HBOWA is recognized in Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other international markets. We work with branded solar panel manufacturers, supply efficiency modules with guaranteed performance and durability. In addition, we provide customized system design, technical support, and responsive after-sales service, including remote troubleshooting and long-term assistance. Driven by innovation and customer focus, Preta is committed to providing dependable, sustainable solar solutions and being your trusted long-term partner in the global renewable energy industry.